So one of the other things that that I think is unique and that I love is that the team ends up getting things that they can use that help make them better salespeople, better sales warriors, better leaders, but also things and tools that they can use in their personal lives. I'm just curious, have you noticed any differences in your team that way, kind of inside of work and outside of work?
Yeah, even with myself, it's funny the tools that are provided. I notice I handle my kids a little differently. Some of it's a bit holistic in terms of the training and the concepts. And Tracy, you and I have talked about some of them. In our own lives and own experiences, which I think is really cool. The power in something if it can be applied to your life in general, just outside of next sale or coaching through the next sale is a pretty wonderful thing. And we understand more about our team and what's important to them. Really understanding why they're out in the sales center selling and what they're working towards, and in understanding their core motivation personally. It's easier for us to talk that language and support them in achieving it, right?
Yeah, absolutely.